Andy Murray, one stock you like in the Becker Value Equity Fund is Plum Creek Timber. Now, what will happen to Plum Creek Timber if rates rise? Will it get chopped down?
Well, I think it's one of the reasons that the shares have sort of languished in the low 40s share price range is because the concern about when interest rates rise, does this one, which yields over 4%, gets curtailed. But I think when rates are rising, we should see a continued recovery in housing starts. And they've remained weak through this recovery, only hitting 1.1 million. And as rates rise, and hopefully that's a reflection of an improving economy, and housing starts to rise, prices for their logs and their timber should hopefully improve as well.
And you're also bullish on Amdocs. This stock's had a great year so far, up over 15%. But is it because it's an acquisition target or because of its own merits?
I don't think it's a target as such as it's been rising because the fundamentals of the story are pretty good. It's a company that focuses on software and services to the telco industry, primarily billing and customer interaction, and it really is the best company in the group with the best product. And management have a great long-term vision to keep growing that company, and they keep delivering and executing, and the share price reflects that.
And you're also a fan of Discovery Communications. It's down year to date slightly. Do they have the right content?
Yeah, there's a lot of concern about whether they don't have enough scripted TV, because that's sort of one of the hot areas in content right now, and they're very much more sort of on the reality side and the science and things like that, Animal Planet, Discovery, TLC. But we think they've got great content. The thing about their content is it plays very well internationally. And I think with the share price weak at the moment, the market's missing the real great international story that there is at Discovery. They've got a great international platform. Half their sales, in fact, come from overseas, and a lot of the content that they make here in the US plays really well overseas, which makes for a very efficient business model.
And last of all, you're positive on Allegheny Technologies. Why do you like this specialty metals maker?
Well, Allegheny spent almost a decade building a great platform of assets to make products and metals for the next aerospace cycle. So lots of planes moving to use more titanium and nickel, obviously lighter parts for the aircraft. And they've spent a long time building the assets and the capabilities to deliver. And we think now is the right time for that to come to fruition for Allegheny.
All right, thanks a lot, Andy.
Thank you very much, Greg.
Thank you for watching The Street.